Story, story, story. Once upon a time, time. A Dagomba prince and a Moshi Fulani princess met, and the rest was history. Desba indulges, I greet you in the language of the Dagomba people from the northern region in Ghana. Over the weekend, I had the most wonderful opportunity to learn 4 different northern Ghanaian delicacies: Tubani, Yoro Yoro, Pete Pete, and Adua. The theme for the day seemed to be legumes and, of course, little yam. All these foods were so delightful, very tasty and spicy. However, it had us drinking gallons of water each, and the sleep last night was exceptional. I'm super excited to learn more Northern Ghanaian dishes, and I hope you guys will join me in this experience. Subscribe and follow for more.